Day 22. God is your shepherd. I am guided. Verse, Psalm 23, 1-3. The Lord is my shepherd. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. God, guide me today. Lead me away from anxiety and into your peace. Refresh my soul and steady my steps. Amen. When life feels confusing or overwhelming, it is easy to think you're walking blind, like you're guessing, hoping, trying to figure out everything on your own. But a sheep is never responsible for finding the path. The shepherd leads, and the shepherd you follow is gentle, wise, patient, and intentional. He leads you beside quiet waters, not chaos. He restores your soul, not drains it. He walks in front of you, not behind you. You are not lost. You are not directionless. You are being led by the one who never leads wrong. Take a slow breath and say, God, lead me today.